Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
One by and I with them shoes on.
Because you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too bad.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. With a lot of flow. No shoe. Where's all? I had to get cute today. I'm bottom jeans for a boot. I had to keep looking good, cause my baby little Jasmine Bell. He a dog, he a shoe. Baby, need new shoes today. Time for what check it today. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today?
You know it.
Dog, get feet up. Move, trail. I like the 15. I got my blue stamps. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tech. $95 for this weed plus tax. Bow. Anything over while I stack my dog. Don't really have this tank up. Thinking that you better than I am. What did you think? You stupid? Whatever. She a lie. My number. What? What's wrong with you, girl? Oh, girl. Shh. Be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good. You look good. Turn around. Let me get your suit. Get it. Okay. We're gonna talk to you later. OMG, what do she have? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
We take this girl.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong.
See you ratchet.
What about now with those shoes on?
You ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her.